Hello, so today we are going to do this problem which is part of Leetcode October Challenge. Check if sentence is Pangram. So the problem says a Pangram is a sentence where every letter of the alphabet appears at least once, right? So given a sentence, we want to check if it contains only lowercase English letter and if it contains, if each one of them appears at least once. If that's the case, we'll return true, otherwise we'll return false. This one has all of the alphabet lowercase letters, so we return true. This one doesn't, so we return false. So this one should be pretty easy. We can just go through all the alphabet lowercase letters and then check if we find any of them that is not in the sentence, we can return false. If we finish and we were able to find all of them, we return true, right? So very, very straightforward here. Okay, so how do we do this? So first we need an easy way to check that a letter is in the sequence, and if a sequence is a set, that would be easier, right? That would be quicker, O of 1 instead of O of n if it's not. And now we need to go through every character in the alphabet to check if it's in the sentence. So this in Python will give us all the so we just check if it's not in it, then that means we found the letter that is not in the sentence, so we need to return false because it's not Pangram. Otherwise, if we're able to find all of them, we can return true, right? And then we can run this and we submit. Okay, so that passes test cases. In terms of time complexity, this is a loop on the number of letters, so this is whatever the number of letters is. So if we check the length here, it's 26, right? So this is O of 26 time. And for space, we are only using this set, so it's O of 1 space. It's O of n, and n being the length of this sentence. But also, like, a set would be at most the number of letters, right? So it's O of 26 space as well, right? Which is constant almost, yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this problem. Pretty easy problem. Please like and subscribe, and see you on the next one. Bye.